Hello everyone, my name is Elston Lewis. I'm the Vice President of a club here called National Society of Black Engineers, better known as NSBE, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about why you should join. The National Society of Black Engineers is a national organization that encompasses a vast population of students. Here in the U.S. we have 6 regions. We are in the 6th region, spanning from California all the way to Colorado. Our mission is to increase the number of culturally responsible black engineers who excel academically, succeed professionally, and positively impact the community. You should join NSBE if you're committed to improving the recruitment of black and minority engineers in academia and industry. But you should also join if you're looking for a fun place to hang out with your friends, a fun place to build your resume, and build your overall professionalism. We're also open to all majors and all ethnicities.
Hi, my name is Shania Murray. The NSBE chapter at Fullerton is also very STEM oriented, so we cater to all majors in the College of NSM as well. My position as a STEM chair on the NSBE Executive Board caters to the non-engineering majors of NSBE. My job is to also help stimulate, develop students' interests in STEM-based and engineering disciplines, giving them tips on how to navigate NSBE conferences, career advice, and opportunities for anyone under the STEM field.